Welcome back, everyone. We got all the mowers loaded back up onto the truck and trailer, and we're headed back down to the TTC compound, and we're going to be doing the obstacle course.
All right, everybody. Thank you for coming out for the 5th annual Top Tractor Challenge 2023. We've had a glorious amount of support this year, along with help getting the courses set up, materials for the courses, and sponsors. You guys are competing for over $1,000 worth of prizes and cash today. Woo! Super crazy support.
Next up, we have the obstacle course, sponsored by CountryTyme Land Specialist, Longbow Jerky, and Craftsman Crusher. We're going to start out with George and see how the competitors hold up.
Ready, set, go!
Unfortunately, George immediately sucking up some water in his intake. It's surely going to hurt his time.
Give her hell!
Last time George competed at a former TTC, this wooden ramp gave him all sorts of issues. Ended up rolling his tractor onto his shoulder. Luckily he was alright, but we'll see if he's able to hit the wooden ramp a little bit better this year. Some more water, but finishing out with a 153 and 2.6.
Ready, set, go! Coming in with a stellar J-turn into the first mud hole. Finishing out with a 130.76. Ready, set, go!
Up next we have Giver the Beans 97 from Kentucky giving it a go at the obstacle course.
Hell yeah!
out his run with a 219.75.
Set, go!
Tom,
Yeah.
you want pulled over there?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You calling it? Yeah.
Huh?
You calling it?
Yeah.
What happened, Tom?
Electrical cable, I think. One of the battery cables quit.
That's a
It
bummer.
just completely died. All electrical systems down. So,
You think you're gonna get it back up?
I hope so. Find out.
Good. Because this is cheating.
I think I'd still get last, though. Go! Give her hell.
Red Deer 2 just attacking the course, finishing out with a 113.99.
Ready, set, go!
Up next we have Hot Lap Garage on Ghost, his hydro workforce. Finishing out with a 134.32.
Oh no. Belt.
Unfortunately, Jerry Rao, having more issues with his mower, ended up taking a DNF on the obstacle course.
Ready, set, go!
A little bit of a hiccup at the start for Adam Channel on the obstacle course, but he lets that big block Generac scream through the mud hole. Let's see how he fares out. across the road, Adam almost taking out the fence post. Luckily, he just barely missed it. Even with the few hiccups, Adam finishing out with a 140.75.
Ready, set, go!
Ripping through the obstacle course, being the only competitor to do a sick drift around the J-turn into the first mud hole. Although Ethan went ahead and broke the wooden ramp, luckily he was the last competitor, finishing out with a 123.50. And that's it for our second event, the obstacle course. The final results: Red 02 coming in first place. The times are starting to spread out a little bit more, but being very competitive. Our top 4 finishers are the same top 4 from the hill climb. We'll see what the rock crawl has to bring us.
I hope you guys enjoyed the obstacle course. Up next we have the rock crawl. A couple videos ago and on my Facebook page I posted that we're doing a TTC 2023 giveaway. You get a goodie bag, you get a hoodie, a t-shirt, stickers, and some other stuff from the sponsors themselves. And we're going to go ahead and draw for that right now. You had to like the post, you had to share it, and you had to comment hashtag TTC23 on the post. So I got a random name picker generated here. We had 25 people that went ahead and entered. So what we're going to do is right here, we're going to pick a random name. And congratulations, Kristen Robinson. I'll shoot you a personal message, but you went ahead and won the TTC 2023 goodie bag. And we are going to be doing another giveaway. So what you guys got to do to win a GooLoo Elite Series 1200 amp hour portable jump starter. GooLoo was one of the sponsors for the 2023 TTC. New in the package, never used. So what you need to do, all you need to do is enter. To enter is you got to be subscribed to the Red 02 YouTube page. You got to like this video, and leave a comment down in below. You don't, it doesn't have to say anything specific. Say, hey, like the video, whatever you want to say. Comment on the TTC, say you want a GooLoo jump starter. It doesn't matter. But if you do not like this video, you are not subscribed to Red02 YouTube channel, and you do not leave a comment down below. You must do all 3 of those to be entered to win this GooLoo jump starter. We'll let it go for about a week, and then we'll draw and see who won the GooLoo jump starter. Seriously, guys, we had a huge support this year for the TTC sponsors. Go check out our sponsors. They're listed down in the description. Until next time, have a wonderful day.